Imagine signing a contract and later realizing the terms have changed. What can you do? This is about the landmark case of Central London Property Trust v High Trees House Ltd. It introduced a key legal principle called promissory estoppel. In the 1940s, Central London Property Trust owned a block of flats. They leased these flats to High Trees House Ltd. The original rent was £2,500 per year. However, during World War II, occupancy dropped due to the war. To help High Trees, the Property Trust agreed to lower the rent to £1,250. They never formally changed the lease. Throughout the war, High Trees paid this reduced amount. But after the war, occupancy increased again. Then, the Property Trust demanded back rent from High Trees. They wanted the full amount of £2,500 for the entire period. High Trees argued they should only pay £1,250, based on their agreement. The case went to court. The judge had to decide whether the Property Trust's promise to reduce the rent was binding. He ruled that, because of High Trees' reliance on the reduced fee, they could not demand the full rent. This established the principle of promissory estoppel. Promissory estoppel means a promise, even without formal contract changes, can be enforced. A party cannot go back on a promise if someone relied on it to their detriment. In this case, High Trees relied on the reduced rent to survive wartime. This equitable doctrine protects against unfairness. It ensures that businesses can continue without worrying about unexpected changes. It builds trust in contractual relationships. In short, the case established that parties can rely on promises made by the other party if the following conditions are satisfied. 1. There must be an existing contractual or legal relationship. 2. There must be a clear and unambiguous statement by the promisor that his strict legal rights would not be enforced. 3. The promisee must have acted in reliance on the promise. 4. It must be inequitable for the promisor to revert to his strict legal rights. This is significant in contract law and affects how contracts are formed. It sets a precedent for future cases. If you want to learn more about contract law or how to protect your agreements, don't hesitate to reach out. Knowledge is power, and understanding these principles can save you time and money.